You're gonna hit it.
There you go, first one. Huh?
God dang, Graf. Get your stuff together.
You're already behind. You're down there putting on a bait. They're biting. All right, guys, we're throwing the old minnow one and fishing with some good friends, and we're chasing them after the spawn. So this is a post-spawn fish. You can see here we got a place behind us, got a lot of fingers in it, and got some docks. We've been dock shooting this whole time up until now. They've been spawning and living underneath the boat docks, using that as a transition. So you can see we're out here today a lot further. We're on some brush, and we're gonna try and find them piled up to where, show you the transition they're making, coming out of their spawning pockets, making their way to the main lake. The water's not that hot yet. This is really just the very, very end of the spawn and the start of when they're kind of moving out into their summer haunts, because it's not really that hot yet. It hadn't forced them there in great groups. But this is a time to take advantage of when they first come out. They're kind of relaxing. They're not very smart. People haven't beat on them. And so you can really take advantage of it, catch you a bunch of nice ones. Yeah, they are cruising a little bit. Of course, you know, when they're not setting on there, setting there heavy, you think they would cruise a little bit. Now look at that one. Oh, look at that. Now look here on this fish. You can tell that this is one just like we was talking about coming out of that spawn. Boy, I mean, that thing, bait head hooked it good. Well, if you could hook them all like that, you'd never lose one. But see here, you can tell this fish is a fish that's been up there spawning, and she's coming out. So these are the fish we're trying to target, you know. And that tells you right there that they're moving out. Just got a little wounds on her from being up there shallow.
That was wasn't.
I think that faster retrieve definitely got something to do with it. Golly, now that's a big one.
You want me to play with him or get him in here?
No, I want you to get him in the box. You don't like fish, so get yours in.
Ate it.
Well, for being so many of them. What color you get on?
Don't worry about it. Chartreuse and June bug.
Oh, yeah, boy. That June bug Shardy's a good color.
Good one.
Especially in these conditions we got today. Like all you did. Jared's on them. Hey, you might have to co-angler from the back of the boat.
I think this is the only.
Put him in the penalty box.
This is the last one of these colors, boys.
I guarantee you I got some more in there. I bring a little secret compartment that you boys don't know about in case I get behind. Now, the benefits of fishing with Jared here means he's using my stuff is he hates crappie. He hates fish. He hates any kind of fish. So we get to take home his limit.
That's fact. The benefits of fishing with Lawyer, as you can see Graf behind me, is we get to use his stuff. When you lose it, you don't matter. You just grab more baits, more hooks, and go from there. So we moved from some deep water to shallow water. So I had a 16th ounce dock shooter on for the shallow water. Since we moved out here, we're away from the docks, casting over brush piles. Had an 1/8 ounce bait head on. It was a little too heavy, moving a little too fast. So I'm gonna switch to a 16th ounce bait head to slow that retrieve down and see if we can't bring a few more in the boat.
Get it. Attaboy. Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna follow him out.
I'm gonna get
Are
his
you?
friend.
Well, it happens. Look at this though. We gained right here. There you go, 12-incher.
Nope.
Oh, you get him?
Yeah.
Doubled up. Look at that. Oh man, he's hot.
I about got a tree.
He's racy. That's right. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Catching them two at a time. We're gonna start on the other side. Nice one. Whole fish is clean. It's been out here a while. Big in there. Now that's a big one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh gosh dang. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That's a nice one though. That's a nice one.
That is a big one.
That is. Ain't nothing wrong with him.
No.
They make the old grease crackle.